Stop! Who keeps us safe?
This is a police car. Police car keeps us safe. It catches bad guys.
Police car goes fast. What color are the police lights?
Oh no, someone needs help. This is an ambulance. Ambulance helps sick people. It takes them to the hospital. Bus carries many people. Ambulance helps one patient. Can you say ambulance? Oh no, there is a fire. Who will help?
This is a fire truck. It carries water and a ladder.
Fire truck puts out fire.
What color is the fire truck?
Wow, look at this big machine. This is a bulldozer, sir. Let's pretend to push like a bulldozer. Now we need to dig.
This is an excavator. Look at its long arm. What is the excavator doing? Excavator digs.
This is a dump truck. Dump truck carries dirt and rocks. Beep, beep. It can lift and dump. What is inside the dump truck? Dump truck carries heavy dirt. Car carries people.
Push, push, bulldozer. Dig, dig, excavator. Load and dump truck. Construction time is fun. Push, push, bulldozer.